Okay, since this is the first day of school, I want you to introduce yourself. Start with you, Miss. You. Good morning, everyone. I am Stella Owen.
Good morning, Mom.
Why are you late? Okay. Take your seat. Minimize your voice. Okay, Miss, continue.
Good morning, Ma'am. Good morning, everyone. I am Rosana O. Galatera, 18 years of age. I am currently elected SSG President from the last election for this year. I can sing, I can dance. In short, I am multi-talented. And I became ill-mannered person.
Uy, ice cream ba tayo, Ma'am? Ba't tayo, Ma'am?
This is the second time na nandito ka ngayon sa faculty car.
Hindi ko naman sinasadya yun eh. Kasalanan mo na yun.
Ano hindi sinasadya?
You're the one that never lets me sleep. To my mind, down to my soul, you touch my lips. You're the one that I can't wait to see. With you here by my side, I'm in ecstasy.
quarter, ang nakakuha ng mataas na marka ay si Maria at si Christina. Kayong dalawa ay naatasan ko na tulungan ang may mababang nakuhang grades, na si Carl at si Raniel. Ikaw, Maria, ay naatasan ko na tulungan si Raniel. At ikaw naman, Christina, ay naatasan ko na tulungan si Carl.
Four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wala ka dito. 11, 12.
Ano bang ginagawa mo?
Hindi ko lang ng tao.
Ba't ka nagbibilang?
Bakit ba?
Mag-ano ka nga dyan? Mag-aral ka, hindi yung naglalaro-laro ka dyan.
Ayoko. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40.
Bakit yung hinahanap ko? Mabuti pa, tulungan mo ko hanapin yung volume to ng librong to.
Okay, sige.
I loved you only in my mind, but I know that there will come a time to feel this
Uy!
feeling I have.
Anong tinitingin mo dyan?
Tulungan ka.
Anong tinatulungan? Maghanap ka dyan? Doon.
You're hopeless romantic is what they say, falling in out of love just like a play. Looking in your eyes, I see a paradise. This world that I found is too good to be true. Standing here beside you, want so much to give you this love in my heart that I'm feeling for you.
Let 'em say we're crazy. Don't care about that. Put your head in my hand, baby. Don't ever look back. Let the world around us just fall apart. Baby, we can make it if we're heart to heart.
And we can build this dream together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers, we'll still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us now. I'm so glad I found you. I'm not gonna lose you. Whatever it takes, I will stay here with you. Take it through the good times, see it through the bad times. Whatever it takes is what I'm gonna do. They'll say we're crazy. What do they know? Put your arms around me, baby. Don't ever let go. Let the world around us just fall apart. Baby, we can make it if we're heart to heart. And we can build this dream together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers, we'll still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us.